Causes of dandruff. Although the cause of dandruff is not entirely understood, it is currently theorized that one of the leading main reasons is a breakdown of the scalp's natural lipid barrier, leaving it more exposed to infection by the microscopic yeast that is commonly found in the scalp. When the yeast overgrows, it leads to an inflammatory response that kills off scalp cells at a higher rate, which in turn slough off in sticky patches and flakes. The condition is identified by white or clear flakes on the scalp, through the hair, and on clothing. Itchy scalp which may be red and inflamed. Some young teens find they develop dandruff when they hit puberty because their hygiene habits haven't changed to meet the challenges of newly accelerated sebum production. Stress, poor hygiene, and poor diet can make the scalp more susceptible to dandruff. High sugar foods, in particular, are known to exacerbate yeast infections. The hair should be brushed regularly to loosen flakes and stimulate blood supply to the scalp, which will accelerate the natural immune response to infection. Treating dandruff. There are a few habits you can develop and natural treatments you can use to treat dandruff. Nutrition. An excess of sugar in the diet can exacerbate any yeast infection. Try reducing your intake of all sugars and refined starches while treating for dandruff. Cleansing. Massage your scalp thoroughly with your fingertips when shampooing. This will help loosen and remove any dead skin flakes and help prevent the infection from continuing. Wash your hair daily until the infection is cleared up. Conditioning. Use a protective hair condition on the ends of hair only. Avoid getting conditioner on your scalp where it can clog pores and interfere with the healing of the skin. Other treatments. Massage. Massaging your scalp several times a day with the pads of the fingers only will stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles and help loosen the dead skin flakes. Brushing. Brushing your hair thoroughly daily will help loosen and remove dead skin flakes, increase the smooth flow of sebum along the hair shaft, and increase blood supply to the hair follicles. Wash hands after brushing and grooming hair. Fungal infections of the skin are highly contagious, and it is easy to reinfect and spread to other areas of the body. This is why it's essential to wash your hair daily and to brush out any loose dandruff flakes so that whole areas of the scalp will not be infected. Washing your hands after brushing, massaging, and grooming your hair will also help prevent reinfection or cross-infection. The following herbs and nutrients have been shown to reduce dandruff infections. Natural internal treatments for dandruff. Alpha-lipoic acid, vanadyl sulfate, Gymnema sylvester, and chromium are all natural regulators of blood sugar levels. They can help prevent feeding the infection by keeping blood sugar levels normalized. Olive leaf and oregano leaf are both natural systemic antifungal agents. Natural external treatments for dandruff. The following herbs can be used as a tonic for reducing fungal infections on a limited basis. Tea tree oil. A study showed that shampoos with just 5% tea tree oil significantly improve the severity of dandruff. You can also add a few drops of tea tree oil to your favorite shampoo as you were healthy. Baking soda. Baking soda is an exfoliant that can remove excess skin cells and oil on the scalp. Baking soda also possesses antifungal properties that may help fight the fungus responsible for dandruff. To use baking soda, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water until you reach the perfect paste consistency. For best results, part your hair in sections and apply a few drops of olive oil before spreading the paste on your scalp and let it sit for 5-10 minutes. Thoroughly rinse the mixture out. Apple cider vinegar. It is often used as a natural remedy to get rid of dandruff. The acidity of the vinegar is believed to help stimulate the shedding of dead skin cells on the scalp. Apple cider vinegar is also said to balance the pH of the skin to reduce the growth of fungus and thus fight dandruff. To use apple cider vinegar, mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of water. Massage it well into your scalp and then leave it in for about 10-15 minutes. Rinse off with cold water. Repeat this routine regularly every few days until you start seeing results. Mouthwash. To treat a bad case of dandruff, wash your hair with your regular shampoo, then rinse with an alcohol-based mouthwash. Follow with your regular conditioner. Mouthwash's antifungal properties help prevent dandruff-causing yeast from growing. Aspirin. Aspirin is an OTC pain reliever that could potentially reduce dandruff symptoms. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, an active ingredient commonly used in dandruff shampoos. Salicylic acid can help exfoliate excess dandruff flakes, prevent oil buildup, and reduce inflammation on the scalp. To use salicylic acid on dandruff, try crushing 1 or 2 uncoated aspirin tablets into a fine powder and mixing the powder with a dollop of regular shampoo. In the shower, apply the mixture to the hair and leave it there for a few minutes before rinsing it out. Salt. The abrasiveness of ordinary table salt works great for scrubbing out dandruff flakes before you shampoo. Grab a salt shaker and shake some salt onto your dry scalp. Then work it through your hair, giving your scalp a massage. You'll find you've worked out the dry, flaky skin and are ready for a shampoo. Pair one of our other dandruff remedies with your shampoo for the full treatment. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids may lower blood pressure, increase good HDL cholesterol levels, and support heart and brain health. A deficiency in this fatty acid can result in adverse symptoms such as dandruff, brittle nails, and dry skin. Omega-3s provide several skin benefits such as managing oil production, regulating inflammation, improving hydration and reducing signs of aging. Aloe vera. A succulent plant is known for its healing properties. The gel in its leaves contains several bioactive compounds, such as amino acids and antioxidants, that may reduce dandruff. People can use aloe vera gel directly from the plant or purchase the gel online. Lemon juice. Lemons contain antiseptic properties, which is why they are an excellent home remedy for an itchy scalp and dry scalp. Lemon juice, much like apple cider vinegar, is acidic and therefore alters the pH level of the scalp, banishing unwanted dandruff-causing bacteria and fungus. Keep in mind, however, as the pH level of your scalp changes throughout the day, and lemon juice is just a temporary fix. Banana and avocado. Bananas and avocados are great dandruff treatments because they are both extremely moisturizing, which means they can reduce those dry flakes and inflammation. Avocados are rich in antioxidants, which keep the skin cells on your scalp happy and healthy, while bananas are especially great for conditioning the scalp and hair. Coconut oil. Coconut oil may help improve hydration, reduce irritation, and prevent fungal growth on the scalp. People can try applying coconut oil directly to the scalp before washing it out or find a shampoo that contains coconut oil. My final thoughts. Dandruff is a skin condition that causes itchy, flaky skin on the scalp. This condition can impact a person's self-esteem and overall quality of life. While a few research studies have individually examined the effects of natural remedies for dandruff, many of these remedies have positive anecdotal evidence. Not all home remedies will work for everyone. It is best to consult your dermatologist or doctor.